Hello everyone, today my first vlog and I'm going to discuss how to speak English, how to improve communication skills. And I know I am facing so many problems and I want to speak English, but I did not practice more and more. So that's reason I can't speak English nowadays. I am facing problem. So if you want to improve communication skills and if you want to develop the speaking skill in English, so you have to practice. I know you have to practice more and more. First of all, I listening so many times, 2 hours, 30 minutes, and I reading, I writing. So, but doesn't work proper because I'm not a practice speaking practice. So that's very important lesson I learned. If you don't practice, you can't speak. If you practice every single day, every day consistency you follow, so I think you can speak easily. So starting time you have you are face you starting time uh, starting time you can face problem, but slowly you understand everything, and sometime after 1 month, 2 month, 3 month after you can speak fluent. So 10 days after 10 days, yeah, 8 days after I am going Lucknow, improve my English speaking skills, and I want to build my communication skills and personality. So that reason I am going where. So, and I know this time in the world very important English. You have speak English fluent, you can do anything. You have overconfidence, you can talk anywhere, any person in English. So that's the reason I'm going where, and I learned English speaking. With my biggest problem, I never practice any person. This is my biggest problem. I That's the reason I facing problem. Starting 2, 1, 2, 3 days, you have face problem. So I'm not practice. I'm not practice anyone. I'm not practice anybody people how to speak. I only practice self. So I'm facing problem nowadays. And my suggestion, you have to learn English language. You have if you want to learn English language, so you have to something you have to follow rules. Some rules you have to follow. And first of all, consistency. I learn English I think 2 years before, but I today I can't speak properly. I can't speak. I have no confidence. 2 years before I am I 2 years before start my journey, but I'm not consistency for I did not focus. I did not consistency. So many problem I know, so many problem I face, and I my biggest mistake, I did not practice every single day. So this reason today I can talk anyone, but anywhere, yeah, anybody people say I can talk in English. And if you want to improve English, so you have to 5 rules I am going to teach you. First rules I learned. First rules you have to follow basics English. Do you have not basic knowledge? You can talk. You have to basic grammar knowledge, very important. Second very important lesson I learned, pronunciation. I know you can understand English, you can speak, but you don't have good pronunciation. You can't speak. So that's reason, that's it, that I'm facing problem. Yeah, I can't speak. Yeah, I'm not nervous how to speak. I understand everything. I understand, but I'm only facing problem. I can't speak. Problem. I can't speak. Yeah, I want to speak, but actually I don't understand what should I do. What speak. So which topic I should speak. Which topic should I speak? So I did not practice. This is my biggest mistake in my life, and I practice every single day. That today I can speak English very well. So I want to. That's the reason I'm going where, and I know I have to pay 30,000 rupees, and I have no other option. I have to go, and I have to go another country and for work. So I have only one option, learn English, and उसके बाद that after return I have to go दिल्ली जाना. I will have to go Dubai, and 6 years, 4 months, 1 year I work in Dubai. Then after I will be apply for license. Then after I get a license, that after 2 years I have to work in Dubai. Then after I will try Europe, America, US, UK, another developed country. I will be try, and then after I will be move where.